In this video, we will install Desktop Commander MCP. So Desktop Commander MCP is the package you need to search, update, and manage files through the terminal with Cloud AI. So it's amazing. Basically, we will be able to replace Cursor AI and Windsurf thanks to it. So here I already have installed Cloud Desktop. As you can see, that's Cloud Desktop, and I pasted the README there. And that's what we need because it does work with Cloud Desktop app. So the app you just need to download, that's the website. And here you just click on Windows or macOS. And then you need to install the NPM because usually if you have Node.js, you would have NPM already installed on your desktop, on your computer. So that's safe. But just double check if you have NPM installed. And then you can use, this is a really new package. I didn't know, package like service, Smith Theory. I'm not too sure exactly yet how to say it. I believe it's Smith Theory AI. And it's just amazing. So that project, I have checked, like it's only 3 months old. You see this, actually I read it about it by his founder, by the founder of Smith Theory. And we can just use to install through that one automatically. Like here, what I do have in my terminal. Or we can use the traditional old school way of installing. Yeah, here there's a term of condition actually with Smith Theory. Because of course you go with a third-party layer first. So it's really up to you. Yeah, local MCP. I believe in our case we will go with the old school way, so just installing. Oh yeah, here they say as well. Yeah, just have a read actually on data privacy of Smith Theory, and it's up to you to install which way you prefer. And like what I was about to say, in my case I will go with option 1. So just using npx, and I install the package directly. I press Y, perfect. And now let's just wait. It's done. Like now it attempts to open Cloud Desktop app through the terminal command. It's part of the installation wizard. So you see, now you can see did we start Cloud app. It has restarted, and now we have this icon. MCP is here now. So yeah, so we will be able to access directly to our local directories, our local files. I will ask Claude to tell me more about MCP, and I will mention that I have just installed MCP Commander Desktop and what I should do. So yeah, we have the setup command. So let's see, you see, yeah, the setup. Perfect. Maybe I will just copy paste the README. I believe that could be a good idea. Let's see, because otherwise we can just ask. Yeah, we do that. Of course, we have the setup, but we can just take the README. We can go to raw and we can copy paste that one and ask Cloud AI to give us the instructions basically. So we don't have to think too much that way. These are the instructions from the MCP Commander Desktop repo, and then I just paste that, and it attempts to execute already one of the commands mentioned in the README. So if you look for get directory, let's search, you see it's that on the first one. And so Cloud AI is now asking me, would you like to execute that one? Because it follows the instruction of what's mentioned in the table of the README. And so I said yes, and now I have the config, get config, sorry, I said get directory, get config, and now the second one will be for the command, execute commander, yes. And then after we have the next one, the list directory, list directories, so that will just show the directories of my system, of my OS. Yes. And that's the create directory. You see that quite a bunch of them. Really interesting. Yeah. MCP Commander Desktop is just so promising. I can't wait to use it.